In yesterday's video, we couldn't show the speed test results for all the IPs because the video was becoming too long. So today, we'll test each IP separately to clearly demonstrate the quality and performance of the IDs. First, we'll check the IPv4 IPs, and then we'll move on to the IPv6 IPs. I have added all the IPs together in the proxy list inside my multi-browser. From there, we'll test each IP one by one to see how they perform in real time. It's worth mentioning that sometimes a brand new IP may not perform well immediately after being turned on. However, once the IP runs smoothly for 1 to 2 hours, its performance usually becomes much more stable and reliable. Alright, so you've already seen the speed test results of the first IP. Now it's time to move on to the second IP, and let's see how this one performs. First, we'll take a quick look at the IP's location and check its current status. This will give you a clear idea of where the IP is based and whether it's active and stable. After that, we'll jump straight into the speed test to check the download and upload speeds in real time. Now, as you can see, we're testing the third IPv4 IP. This is the last IPv4 IP we have at the moment. After this, we'll move on to testing the IPv6 IPs. In total, we have 10 IPv6 IPs, and we'll be checking each one of them step by step to see how they perform. So stay with me as we continue the testing process and compare the overall performance. Now, as you can see, we're starting the test with the first IPv6 IP. In this video, we want to check the real performance of the Geonix Proxy IP server service, especially the speed and overall quality of their IPs. These IPs are available at a very low price, and you can clearly see on their website how affordable they are. We've also provided a coupon code in the comments section, so you can get an additional discount if you decide to purchase. However, our main goal is to give you honest and accurate information. We want to show you what these IPs are really like, how much speed you can actually get, how stable they are, and whether they will truly be useful for your needs. In this video, we're trying to show you everything, both the positives and the negatives, so you can make your own decision. Make sure you watch the full video, because by the end, you'll have a complete and clear idea about this website and their service. Before we continue, we want to give you an important disclaimer. The speed tests we are showing in this video are not 100% absolute or universally accurate. The results depend on several factors, including the ISP and routing we are using, our local network conditions, and the server distance. Because of this, you may get different results on your end. Your speed and performance could be better or worse depending on your location, ISP, and overall network setup. So please take these results as a practical demonstration based on our environment, not as a guaranteed benchmark for everyone. Here, you can see the download speed results of all the IPv6 IPs. We did not show the upload speed for each individual IP because that would have made the video much longer. Our goal is to keep the video clear and focused while still giving you the most important performance insights. For those who came directly to this video, we have a special request. We previously published another related video on our channel, and you can find it in the description or by clicking the I button above. We highly recommend watching that video as well, because it contains additional important information that will help you understand everything more clearly. One important thing I've noticed during testing is that not every IP behaves the same way at all times. Sometimes an IP works perfectly in the morning, but its performance may drop in the afternoon or at night. In many cases, however, the performance improves again after some time. So it's important to understand that IP performance can vary depending on timing and network conditions. If you found this video helpful, please consider supporting us by subscribing to the channel and bookmarking it. We regularly share detailed IP-related tests and reviews to help you make informed decisions.